Great. What we have here is our fitness gaming program. Within fitness gaming, this was around our what we call our gamification program, where we're looking at how do we take the devices in the home, like a game console, like the active games of people that are already playing out there, and how do we begin to extend that platform to help people become more active, we help them become more involved in their healthcare through something that they're already very familiar with. Through our partnership with Microsoft, we are actually looking at how do we take the Xbox, how do we leverage the technology of the Kinect devices, how do we go out there and be able to start to use some of this new technology in these devices for interacting with people at home. You can ultimately see where potentially that device becomes the portal for a person who are going in and doing their health. Similar to the Optimized Me platform, which we talked about, now you could potentially do a challenge that would say, let's go out and do Dance Central. First person to reach a certain level of Dance Central, or first person to burn so many calories doing a dancing platform. We're looking at how do we tie that in with some of our Optimized Me platform for the person to be working on it. Also, it might be able to tie into a person's medical records. Again, it's very similar to the Optimized Me. How could we take medical information about them, make suggestions around certain games to play, make suggestions around meal planning, make suggestions around other activity that a person might be able to get involved with, and then keep track of how much is a person actually involved in doing healthy activity while they're sitting at home. The devices out there now have the ability to capture calorie burn information. It has the ability to do other things. One of the things that interesting thing we are looking at specifically with the gaming console and specifically with the Microsoft Kinect device is doing things like a PTOT application. The device itself does provide video, provides audio services. It also provides the ability to measure movement of a person. So if you wanted to do a consult with a doctor or a clinic, or if you wanted to actually go through a physical therapy regime, you'd be able to go through and use that, use the sensors within there. It could measure your movements. It could actually be having you doing something while providing feedback to a clinician as well as providing feedback to the individual. So we've got a lot of very exciting stuff happening right now within the gamification fitness gaming environment, and we see a very good future for us there.